It takes just 30 seconds to install in Moto. Rechargeable battery that once charged will dependably work up to 45 days or more than 500 times, automatically setting up. Supported by ropes from both sides of the car, Lenmoto creates a solid protective shield. The anti-theft unbreakable cables keep it safe. Lenmoto temperature control feature will also keep your car cool in hot weather. It's capable of dependably sustaining a temperature inside the car of up to 35 degrees lower than under the hot sun. Lenmoto fits on any car, SUV, sedan, mini, Jeep, and even four-wheel beach vehicle. The soft surface of Lenmoto is created to protect your car from scratches. Our innovative design also prevents unwanted damage from bird droppings, construction dust, and rain. Smart structure makes Lenmoto portable.
Hey Chris, take me to the yacht club.
Okay, I found 3 routes to Yacht Club. The first one is through Manchester and will take 28 minutes. Do you want to take this route?
Yes.
Starting navigation to Silo Weg 17, Berlin.
Hey Chris, send a text message to Brian Roca.
Okay, what is the message you want to send?
On the road now. See you at the lake.
I heard. On the world now, see you at the lake. Shall I send this message?
Yes.
Okay, sending it now. You have a new text message from Brian Roca. Shall I read it?
Yes.
The message is, "Sure, I'll get the boat ready. Do you want to reply?"
Yes.
Okay, what is the message you want to send?
Don't you hate having a flat tire? When you're about to rush for an urgent appointment, imagine fixing a flat tire in a deserted area. FOBO tire has an inbuilt theft deterrent feature and notification when the sensor is missing. It monitors your car tires continuously 24 hours every day, giving you and your family peace of mind for a safe and comfortable ride. FOBO tire monitors for you so that you can enjoy the journey.